Hello everyone, you are all welcome to Professor Isaac Khan's some experience sharing with you. Let me introduce myself. I am Professor Irfan Zahir Khan. I am working at the University of Maiduguri as a professor of chemistry. I joined University of Maiduguri in the year 1985, more than 35 years, teaching the chemistry subject. Why I'm interested for this YouTube teaching? The reason is that it's the best platform for Nigerian students to get the chemistry knowledge. While we are teaching in lecture theatre classroom, it is limited space, limited number. But once we are coming on this digital YouTube platform, at least thousands of chemistry students can benefit. So this is my main aim and objective, so that thousands of the students at a time can benefit. And I'm interested mainly after realizing that from primary school, what students we are getting, even from secondary also, at the university level, their basic concept of chemistry is very, very poor. They cannot define what is science. They cannot define what is chemistry, who are chemists, what is matter, what is atom. Of course, I am supervising PhD students. My lectures are there for the PhD supervision, for postgraduate students, but at the same time, what I realize that the bulk of the innocent students who are coming from secondary school, let them develop the interest in chemistry subject. And today, for your kind information, chemistry is one of the fastest growing subject in the world, more especially the organic chemistry, and it is creating lot of opportunities. So if our students are not having basic concept of chemistry subject, then definitely they cannot grow. So that is the reason that why I am interested in a basic concept of chemistry. I have more than 1,000 lectures, almost 1,100, out of which my lectures are on undergraduate, postgraduate students, and at the same time, from my lecture 1 to 200, they are for secondary school or BSc Part 1 students. And I have tried in those lectures to explain everything in a very simple manner. Today we are in digital age. Students can get lot of information on Google, on YouTube, and even ChatGPT is also there. So many platforms are available. But what a teacher, a professor is explaining himself physically, there is no substitute. Even, for example, yesterday, there was lecture to explain that why 6-member ring is more stable as compared to 3-member carbon ring, that is cyclopropane. Cyclohexane is more stable. So you can read lot of things, but one word is there that because cyclohexane acquires puckered structure. So puckered structure demonstration, people will not understand unless it is demonstrated. So what I did, for example, if the all carbon atom, they are on the same plane, it is planar. So if there is polarity of the compound, stability will not be there unless it is assuming Packard structure. So what is Packard? I just showed like this. It is Packard. So this demonstration by Google or by other places cannot be shown in action. And here now, where are the four carbon? One is here, one is here, one is here, one is here. They are hanging in this space. That is one example. The other example, how the two electrons are accommodated in shell and subshell. So once we are saying that parallel, triplet state or singlet state or having this spin in the same direction, we cannot get on Google. We cannot get on any other platform unless practically, physically, experienced teacher is explaining by demonstration this stereochemistry and other aspect. That's why experienced teacher is very important. And there is no substitute of that. So, for example, if I am showing that there is one condition where two electrons are like this. These are two electrons. Both are having same spin or same direction. It's unpaired. So, it is unstable. I will say that it is unstable unless it is paired. Paired means opposite spin. So, means one should be this spin, opposite side. So, unless I bring my hand and flip it into this direction, now it is opposite spin. Energy is used to become opposite spin, paired. So this type of explanation is only experienced teacher can give. We cannot give. So that is the main reason I am delivering my lecture for the poorest of the poor children, and my aim is that let it reach to the poorest of the poor in villages, because with the help of YouTube and internet, it can reach to any place, any bush, wherever there is excess of electronic cloud. So that if suppose, because of poverty, these poor children, they cannot reach to us, we should reach there. That is my really very important aim and objective. I should reach to them. If they cannot come to us because of poverty, because of lot of other financial factors, so let me reach. So that's why my lectures are there. And chemistry is the mother of all sciences. Chemistry is the fundamental of all sciences. Today, nobody can deny the growth of chemistry in any aspect. This, your artificial intelligence, GPT, so many other Google, digital platform, they cannot replace the lab experiment. Petroleum, energy concept, everything. That's why physical interaction, it's experimental science, is very important. We are checking, our observation is there. What type of gas is there? What is the color? On the basis of observation, then we can conclude. And because of that reason, I am delivering these lectures. And first thing, my advice, I am sharing my experience, that those parents who are not educated, please educate yourself. And if they are parents, if your children are not educated, please educate them. More especially the scientific education. And if I say education means, there should not be any political or financial influence to promote, to manipulate their education. No. Let them work hard. Let them develop their skill. We need skilled manpower in chemistry, in teaching, in industries, everywhere. And it is only the skill and knowledge of your child will bring success and nothing else. If he is not having clear knowledge, clear concept, and if he is not highly skilled, he will not be successful. So don't promote such type of favor or any type of political influence to promote your child, his education. No. Let him grow himself. Let him identify himself, especially in chemistry and scientific knowledge. And today, I am proud to mention that in 1950, one American wrote that by 2000, India's population will be more than 1 billion. He was right. And then he mentioned in that book, who is going to feed 1 billion population? There will be burden on global population, global resources. But he failed to understand that by that time, Indians will be having millions of highly skilled manpower. Today, India is producing more than 300 million tons of food grain. India is having 100 million ton food grain in their warehouses. Food Corporation of India donating and supplying outside. India is having more than 20% skilled manpower who are supporting everywhere, including America. Google, Silicon Valley, everywhere they have the contribution. And technology will always move. If you are left behind in your skill, and if you are not investing in yourself, in your skill, nobody will help you. First, the biggest revolution started in the world. That was in 1800. When urbanization started, people started moving drastically from rural side to cities. That was when steam engine came. The discovery of railway brought billions of dollars, wealth, and millions of people were given employment. After the railway, after such employment, then second came, that was the discovery of transistor in 1900, where all the radio and television started coming, information age came, electricity came, and after that, today, the other technology is there that is called artificial intelligence. It became more creative, more intelligent. We have robots. Robots are teaching in classrooms. But all these technologies, whatever is there, still we are the master of all technologies, human beings. So, if you are not swimming in that technology water, either you swim or you will sink. So this is my message and this is my objective, this is the reason. And my channel name is Education Point and lecture by Professor Isaac Khan. My lecture number is there. If suppose you want to know about what is science, go to lecture number 1. Then slowly what are the branches of science, chemistry and all those. Then you go to lecture number 2, 3, 4, 5. Just you type on the YouTube, that search bar, that lecture number 3 by Professor Isaac Khan on YouTube in channel Education Point. And also one thing that I will be sending in the group, the PDF of my 1000 lectures. You can go through it and then you can pick the lectures. And best thing is that it is a matter of touching up the subscribe bell. Once you touch, it is subscribed. So whenever my any lecture is there, scientific lecture, chemistry, because my lot of lectures are coming on health issues. It can be helpful to your father and mother, your parents. So automatically you will get, and by touching your subscribe bell, you are not going to lose. It's a matter of 1 second. So automatically you will be receiving. So this is my introductory lecture to all of you. And chemists are very, very fantastic people. There are different type of chemists. One group of chemists, they are busy in environment, checking the ozone layer, and then global warming, acid rain. The other group of chemists, they are in petroleum industries in Kaduna and Lagos. They are providing energy, petroleum energy. The other group of people, they are involved in DNA protein sequencing. So everywhere, the chemists are doing their work. They are always busy, whether it is inside house or outside house. And unless you are a chemist, you cannot survive. And basically, fundamentally on this planet, I used to say, every human being is chemist. Every human being is chemist. Unless he or she is a chemist, cannot survive. For example, in your house, your grandmother or your mother, they don't know anything, but they are coming to kitchen. They are maintaining temperature. They are boiling yam or rice, cooking stew. So what temperature is maintained? What type of boiling temperature should be there? The freezing temperature should be there in refrigerator. All is chemistry. Then you are coming in the morning. You are preparing your egg omelette, your coffee, your tea. Extraction of coffee or tea, that is with water, hot water, is all chemistry. It's chemical work. So everybody must know the basic chemistry for their survival. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much.